Hey, hello everyone. We might come across in a situation where output assigned successfully to the order or invoice, but when we open in change mode or display mode, we don't see the output assigned successfully. So mainly this issue happens whenever the dispatch time 4, 4 means process immediately during saving of an transaction that might be an order, delivery or invoice. The reason is that the custom program, there is no code written to capture that error. So how to overcome this issue? So whenever system identify that there is an issue, then we should process the output by updating that processing status of that output, that is vstat equal to 2. 2 means failed. After that, we need to update the processing log. In my previous video, I have detailed discussed about the processing logs. Yeah, to update the processing logs, we should use the function model NAST protocol update, which will help us in updating the processing log with meaningful error logs. I mean, what's the reason why the output has been failed? We can give some more details about that issue. Therefore, accordingly, we can take the action. Whoever reviews that output.